Did you know that a lot of surgeries can be done through tiny poke holes around your joint? It's called an arthroscopic procedure, and it's a minimally invasive approach that sometimes can lead to faster recovery. Hi, I'm Dr. Al-Ghazawi. I'm an orthopedic sports medicine surgeon, and I have more than 10 years of experience specializing in these arthroscopic minimally invasive techniques. Arthroscopy is commonly used for a number of joint problems. You might have heard about meniscus surgery, ACL surgery, rotator cuff tears. We have the ability now and techniques and instruments that we can address a lot of these orthopedic sports medicine issues with a tiny camera or a small poke hole and some instruments. In the past, we used to have to make big incisions called open procedures, and the outcomes seem to be better. So what is arthroscopy? Arthroscopy means that we're putting a small camera inside your joint, and we do it in all the joints, but we put a small camera in your joint and we use other small tools to address whatever pathology you might have. It's less invasive. We use poke holes instead of big incisions, creates less scarring, and usually it's a quicker recovery than some of the more open or invasive procedures. The biggest advantage of arthroscopy is less pain and faster recovery. Because we're not damaging as much tissue, we're creating less scar tissue with our small poke holes as opposed to big open procedures. So the recovery time is faster and tolerated better. Not every person and not every problem is a good candidate for an arthroscopic procedure. It depends on your injury, what we're trying to treat, the extent of that problem, your age, your activity level. There's a lot of factors that go into if you're a good candidate for an arthroscopic procedure. Ultimately, it's about having a good discussion with your surgeon, being well informed, and that helps with the decision making and ultimately making sure that you're the right person for an arthroscopic procedure. At the end of the day, I'm a huge fan of arthroscopic procedures. It is a matter of getting you back to what you do faster with less pain, but you have to find the right surgeon for you. Ask the right questions and make sure that you're well informed to make sure that you're a good candidate for an arthroscopic procedure. I'm Dr. Al-Ghazawi. Thanks for watching. Happy to answer any questions about your joint health. Feel free to reach out via our website or our office. Phone number is 212-737-3301. Hope to get you back to doing everything you love in a pain-free way.